ain't got nothing on you.
They ain't got nothing on you.
They ain't got nothing on you.
They ain't got nothing on you.
Hoes ain't got nothing on you.
They ain't got nothing on you.
I think that shit just paranoia.
I think I'm paranoid.
She think I'm with another woman.
I ain't with no
Another woman ain't gon' keep me coming.
She ain't gon' whip me coming.
These hoes ain't got nothing on you. I fuck with Shawty cause she very loyal. We can tie the night like Myth and Toya. I won't ignore you and I won't divorce you. Let's have two girl twins, call them Rose and Portia. I respect that girl, I accept that girl. I do anything I can to protect that girl. If I could do it all again, would've kept that girl. But I'm unhealthy for you, baby, I fuck up your world. You your daddy's little girl, but you's a grown lady. And I don't see it like